How many views is this gonna get on YouTube, man? Kid tried to crack his head open with a hand. Hey, try the football.
Is it working?
This way.
No, wait, yeah, you gotta hit your head with that side.
Oh, down.
Wait, hey, try hitting the ball on your nuts, see what happens. Try harder. You gotta try harder, man. You gotta like slam it.